even your favorite influencers can be influenced. I was definitely influenced to pick this up.
No basic zone.
What's up, Stushy, and welcome back to another video with the Stush Lives. So as you guys have already read from the title, today I'm going to be unboxing and sharing my first impressions of the Swiss Arabian Layali Rouge Perfume. So if you guys are interested in seeing me unbox and give you guys my first impressions of the fragrance, then definitely stay tuned. Before we get into today's unboxing and first impressions, if you haven't already, make sure you leave your girl a thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to join the Stush gang down below as well. Become a Stush gal, so that way you don't miss out on any of the content that I have for you guys in 2023. And be sure to also follow my socials. I can be found at the Stush Life on both TikTok and on Instagram. And now that we got the intro out the way, let's go ahead and unbox her, shall we? So if you know, this perfume has basically been trending all over TikTok. I'm probably late to the party, not gonna lie, but I had to go ahead and pick it up. I had to go ahead and pick it up to see what the hype was about. So first, let me show you guys how the box looks. So this is how the box looks. It says Layali Rouge Concentrated Perfume Oil Swiss Arabian. This is how she looks. It says since 1974 on the box, and it also comes with a Emirates quality mark, which is right on the side. I did pick mine up from Amazon. It retailed for $24 and I got it with prom. We love that. Listen, this is what I'm paying Amazon for, but this retails for $24. It says it's a luxury product from Dubai. This is the Swiss Arabian Layali Rouge long-lasting and addictive personal perfume oil. Layali Rouge has all the fun and frolics of a cocktail, opening with sweet and juicy mango, pineapple, lemon, papaya, and florals. The tropical opening sets the tone for a fabulous night ahead. The fruity notes are soon joined by a burst of hypnotic roses and juicy peaches before hibiscus and coconut catches the breeze and brings it all to a rich nighttime finale. Okay, they sure know how to sell a fragrance. Okay, so just from the notes and just from the description, it sounds like this is going to be a sweet, fruity, and sexy fragrance because it could be worn in the nighttime. So let's go ahead and open her up, shall we? She's out of the plastic. Ooh, ooh, the details on this bottle goes hard. In my opinion, it's definitely giving foreign. It's definitely giving coming from overseas, definitely giving coming from Dubai. I love that dome topper. Very, very pretty. And this one again comes with 15 milliliters. Oh, ooh, okay. So as you guys know, this is a perfume oil, so I was actually expecting to just pull the top open. I wasn't sure if there was going to be a rollerball situation. That's what we're presented with, and this is glass to my knowledge. Oh, that smells good. It doesn't smell like anything I've smelled before. I definitely get that papaya and mango. Let me go ahead and add a little bit to my wrist. A generous amount. And let's let her dry down just a little bit. Ooh, this is nice. This is nice, but off rip, it's not as strong as I thought it would be for a perfume oil. For a perfume oil, it's not as strong as I thought it would be. It is nice though. Definitely more of a spring, summer scent. And that papaya stands up. Let me look at the notes again. Oh, I get the rose too. I think there's rose in this. And I do get the peach. Okay, I don't get much lemon and I don't really get any coconut, but I do like this. Okay, so first impressions. Are y'all ready? So first impressions, let's start with the price point. Let's start there. Amazing price point. Amazing price point for a perfume oil, in my opinion. Pretty similar to what you would pay for a perfume oil at like your Sephora or your Ulta's. Perfume oils, typically those come in rollerballs. They do have some with a pipette. Those are a little bit more expensive, but for a rollerball, they roughly start at $28 $30. We're currently in a recession, so realistically they're more like $30. So I'd say amazing price for the amount that you get in this bottle compared to how much they're selling a rollerball perfume oil for at, like, say, your Sephora's. This is a nice feminine fragrance in my opinion. It is sweet, not overly sweet in my opinion, because it's not too loud in my opinion. I feel like this would be a great fragrance, or great oil rather, to layer with. I definitely plan on layering this with some of my other scents, and I feel like I'll be pulling this out more so in the warmer months, or when it starts to get warm, in my maybe in like April or May, and definitely moving on into the summer months. I do like this. The bottle is very, very cute. This would look amazing on a vanity. I can't wait to put it up on my vanity. I'm not gonna lie, this is not as strong as I would like it to be. I figured it would have been a bit more stronger just because it's coming from Dubai. We know that the Middle East is known for creating some amazing, some spectacular fragrances, but this isn't as loud as I would like it to be, especially for a perfume oil. I am gonna keep it. She is cute. I do plan on wearing it, and I cannot wait to mix it and layer it with some of my other scents. But I'm not gonna lie, I don't see the hype. I don't know why people were so hype about this on TikTok and on social media. If you own this, let me know your thoughts about it. Let me know if you feel like it's overhyped. Let me know if you feel like the hype is there, the hype is real. But personally, my opinion, I feel like it's just a little bit overhyped, especially since I do have such a vast collection of fragrances. I don't know, I just felt like I expected something a bit stronger, but I do like it. I do like it, and if I didn't like it, I wouldn't be keeping it. That's how you know. I would have sent it right back to Amazon, like, thank you, but no thank you. Thank you, but no thank you. But I do like it, so I will be keeping it. Again, it is a stunning bottle. Do really like the bottle, do like the scent. It is really nice, but it's not as loud. I feel like that's my only issue with this. It's not as loud, it's not as potent as I would like it to be, especially for a perfume oil. Fragrance, okay, cool. Toilette, okay, cool. But a perfume oil, I don't know. I just feel like they could have added a little bit more oomph, into the formula, but that's just me. But again, comment down below and let me know if you guys own this one right here. Again, I did pick mine up on Amazon. But yeah, that's just how I feel. Again, I would love to know if you guys own this in your collection. Comment down below so we could chat. So yeah, that pretty much brings us to the end of today's video. I just really wanted to hop on camera really quickly and unbox the Swiss Arabian Layali Rouge Perfume Oil with you guys, just so I could share my first impressions with you guys on the fragrance that pretty much everyone has been talking about on TikTok. I was influenced by TikTok to go ahead and pick this up. Even your favorite influencers can be influenced. I was definitely influenced to pick this up. I am happy with my purchase. I will be using it, but I just wish it were a little bit stronger. If you enjoyed this video and if you enjoy content like this, don't head out before leaving your girl a thumbs up down below. Make sure you also subscribe down below and become a part of the Stush gang, become a Stush gal. And before you head out, don't forget to follow my socials at the Stush Life on both TikTok, where I got influenced, and on Instagram at the Stush Life. Thank you guys again for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. I hope you guys enjoyed once again. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye guys.